So what is right? What is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love?
I just remember thinking, wow, this guy's absolutely incredible. And you weren't this flirty Mr. Flirty guy. He had a purpose, you know, he was like, this is what I want to do. You just had this confidence about you that was very mature. And I was just like, wow, this guy's amazing, you know. I could definitely see myself marrying this guy.
I didn't come to Hawaii to get married. I was focused on learning about God and kind of growing that relationship. We got to know each other in, well, in different contexts, and work and adventuring was a big thing. Especially, I think, a big thing was working in the dish pit. So, so it was a time to work side by side and, you know, surf together. What caught my attention with Laura was her love for God, but then also how that spilled over to other people. I was like, wow, that's amazing.
And we slowly got to know each other in that context and realized, you know, there's something good here. You know, we get along really well, we have similar goals, similar vision for things, and we complemented each other very well. And for me, I was focused on God, but I was also immature in the sense I was flirtatious. One day the Lord just really spoke to me during a dream. In that dream, the Lord told me very specifically, knock it off, Laura. You have this amazing man, and you're gonna miss this amazing opportunity if you keep, you know, being a little bit flirtatious.
We definitely thought there was something there, but not the right time yet. Especially because you're in this, we call it the YWAM bubble. We got home and we started Skyping each other. Once a week, we came into twice a week, and
eventually it was every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
It was really neat to be separated and have a long-distance relationship because it forced us to talk. That's all we could do. So we would FaceTime and Skype and just talk about everything.
And so I moved to Canada, and that way we were a lot closer. 1 year after we started actually dating, we got engaged, and then a couple months later we were married.
That sounds so easy.
Easy peasy, just like that. No, but really.
What is love?
Love can happen at random moments, because as we did the previous video on 14 days towards Eros, people were asking, okay, you spoke about how somebody can journey towards their partner in life, but how can they be able to know that this is the one? So this is a clip that will give you a scenario of your everyday life. Your coming in and going out can be a coincidence, in terms of you can meet somebody coincidentally who could be your partner in life. So have your eyes open. Don't just walk blindly. And the most important thing is ask God to give you direction. Remember, scripture says that the steps of a righteous man are ordered by the Lord. So if he orders your steps, then open your eyes so that when he leads you to a certain person or a certain situation, you can be able to perceive if this is the one. On here, we're trying to use words and visuals to make beautiful that which is distorted. And I hope this video gave you insights. We're going to end today's video with a silent video trying to show the aspect of love can happen at random moments.
Life is good, it is good to me, and it was meant for you to live and be free, to live and be free. Walk the path, take some time to laugh. Maybe it's been a while, but even try to smile, even try to smile. 'Cause today is only here and ends tomorrow. There's no point Choices that you make can be revived. Have no fear for the time you're here. And if you don't know where to start, then follow your heart, follow your heart, and run, run fast. Learn from things that have passed, and know that everything's okay. Just make that choice today. Make your choice today. 'Cause today is only here and ends tomorrow. There's no point living a life that's full of regret and drowning in sorrow. Lift your head up high and open your eyes. You can choose to be happy. If you try, you might be surprised. Choices that you make can be revised. Yeah, today is only here and then it's tomorrow. There's no point living a life that's full of regret and drowning in sorrow.
Tu hai fatto tutto questo per chiedermi di uscire. Comunque, Francesca.